Shenzhen Moko Technology Limited, established in 2011. We are specialized in OEM and ODM services for LED lights. Our main products include LED grow light, smart light, LED PCB, LED controller, and completed lights. Our company covers an area of 13,000 square meters and has 430 employees. High-speed 5 SMT lines, 4 DIP lines, and 4 box assembly lines. We have strong engineers team, 35 engineers on design and 65 engineers on production. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 13485, CE, BQB, and UL certificates. We have strict quality control system. All components must be tested before entering to warehouse. Every step must be 100% test during production. The Moko ERP system allows us to trace every component's brand, supplier, delivery date, commodity process, which makes great help for us to control the quality. Our salesperson will supply good services to their own customers. They will deal with every problem well for customers, also offer best advice for customers, complying with the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a good reputation among our customers because of our professional services and good attitude, high-end quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for win-win situation.